Hello, I'm Cove with Fuertec Security Screens. I work with the company, and today we're taking the opportunity to show you the process of changing out the bars to our security screens. And in this particular window, we noticed situations very common to where how it's been attached to the window system. This particular case, these bars have been attached by only screws, and there's only 3 screws down below and a couple screws above. With a simple screwdriver, you could easily take out these bars and have access to the house. With Fuertec Security Screens, one, you don't have the odd form of the bars to break up the style of the home. You have the Fuertec Security Screens, which is a screen that keeps out the bugs and also the bad guys. And when we go to attach the system to the house, we will be putting a screw in every 3 to 4 inches around the frame of the Fuertec Security Screens, which will make sure that this is very well attached and be very difficult for somebody to break into the home. Also, the screen is stainless steel. It's marine grade, and so even if someone were to scratch it or attempt to scratch it, there won't be any rust. And the same thing with the frame. It's made out of aluminum, so there won't be any rust in the future, so that eliminates painting and any kind of maintenance that may come in the future. Thank you for watching the video, and if you would like any further information, feel free to click the link below. Thank you.